In this video, I'll show you how to buy real medium followers on Fansgurus. Let's log in first. Log in with your account. Here is the dashboard. Open services on the left. We're doing medium, so I pick the medium icon. Scroll to find service 16,184, medium followers. Let me open the details and explain it. This service brings 100% real, active users to follow your medium profile, not bots. They come at up to 3K a day, drip-fed at a steady, controllable pace, so growth looks natural. There's a 60-day guarantee, so if any drop off in that period, they get refilled. Now let's place an order. It's simple. Paste your medium profile link here. Enter how many followers you want. The price is calculated automatically. Check everything, click submit, and you're done. It usually starts within 5 to 10 minutes. That's how you buy real medium followers on Fansgurus.